Hey, what's up, guys? So we are here doing the one-step polish coat on the hood because the hood on the Audi had a bunch of cloudiness from mist care. So I went ahead and bought the chemical guys. Just trying it out. I know chemical guys get a lot of bad rep, but I needed something quick and easy, see if it works for cars and coffee today. And all I gotta say is that by looking at the car, it is working, at least for a one step. I might have to do a two step, but I'm gonna have to do that after I come back later. It's nice weather today, but this looks amazing. I went ahead and bought a cheap little rotary tool, the Hercules one from Harbor Freight. And all I gotta say is that it's leaving some good results. It's leaving some good and promising results. I could kind of show you guys real quick how it looked before. It still has some spots, and then what it's looking like right now. This is my first time ever doing a cut on my paint, and it's not a modest cut. It's like a soft cut, if you call it, because I'm using the yellow pad, which is the light soft cut with the final polishing. So there's nothing too aggressive, but let me show you guys real quick, see if you guys get a good view of it. So this is, I don't know if you guys can tell, look at how shiny it is. It's not even polished yet, it's just cut. And then if you look this way, you start seeing the difference there. You can see the difference, I believe so. I can't really tell if you guys are able to see it. But right there is where it's all cloudy. You can see the line. Over here is as well. And then this side is, all of this is where I've already done my cut at. Not the best, there's still some light scratches and stuff like that, but we're getting there. So I'm just gonna do the hood right now because the hood is the one that had the most needed work. And like right here, it's gonna need some love because you can see there's some rust right there too, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. But this is how the car's looking like. So just make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna go get some cars and coffee in a bit after this, and then we'll give you guys some video of that as well. All right, ladies and gents, after almost 2 hours done with that, with the cut, it came out beautiful. I went ahead and sealed it with some carnauba wax and some polished sealant as well, and this shit looks 100 times better. Check it out. Everything's technically almost gone. I don't see no cloudiness or anything like that. So all I can say, I feel a little bit more confident in working with fixing paint and stuff like that for myself. So I'm excited to see what else I could do around the car as warm weather comes around. But we did it. Look at that. If you have any questions or whatever for a rookie, if you're trying to do this yourself as well, don't be afraid to ask below. I don't mind answering.